Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong. Today, I am going to show you my wonderful purchase that I've been waiting to get for a while. Yes, it is my Apple product. So let's go ahead and get started. I got today the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And I got the 1 terabyte. So let's go ahead and see what we got in this box. I got the color gold. It came in 4 colors. The color that I really wanted was purple, but it was such a long wait for it, and I could not wait any longer to get this one because the quality of the filming that I do for my YouTube channel needed this. So we're gonna go ahead and let's just do the take it off. Yes. So that is the one I have. It is the gold. And in the box, of course, it comes with a little patch that you put your little Apple sticker on. And it came with the USB cord. It did not come with the cube to charge your phone. And what else? And it didn't come with the earbuds. Here's the good thing though. The earbuds that I have for my iPhone, my previous iPhone, which was a 10, the X, it still works for that. Lightning connector is what they call it. It did not come with the iPhone, so I had to purchase it because I didn't think the one that I had before would work. So now I know and I have it, but this was $19. And the cube, of course, did not come with it. And that's the cube. And you would think that the other cubes would work for it. It did not. We tried it, it didn't work. And they told us in the store it didn't work. So we ended up buying the cube. And the cube, of course, was $19 as well. I'll just take it out so you can see it. I'm gonna need to use it anyway. It's not like the other cube. It is more rectangular. The other one was more square, like a block, and that's what it looks like. So a little bitty insert there that the old chargers will not, the old lightning cord will not fit in there. So 19 bucks for that. And let's see, of course, you know, with all of the cameras here, you cannot have your camera just exposed like that, dropping and falling and breaking. So I did buy a what is this thing called? I got a case for it, and the case was 50 bucks. The people out there that have it, the one that I really want was the clear one, and they didn't have the clear. So I got the closest thing to my gold phone, which was this one. And I might as well go ahead and put it on so I won't drop the phone while I'm doing this demonstration. Make sure it fits too. There we go. Fits, snug, it's in there. So let me go over and give you some information about the phone. I am going to take a class. Yes, they have a class to tell you all of the features and things that you can do on the new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yes, a class. So I've signed up to take it. I'm probably gonna take it over the weekend. I'm just gonna go over a few things here. You can have multi-phone numbers on that phone. So you just have to do the carrier, whoever you're gonna use it, and they have to put it on your iPhone. But you can actually have multi-numbers on here, which is good for business people. You can have another phone line and just use one phone. So I'm going to put my other phone number onto this number here. And let's see what else it says here. It no longer say bye-bye to the SIM card, all you Apple users or iPhone users. Say bye-bye to the SIM card, because we always had a SIM card. No longer have a SIM card. It's now called a eSIM. And I had some people say, I don't think I like that, because when I travel out of the country, I like to use a SIM card additional from the one that I have. Now you can also get another eSIM card for when you travel out of the country. So that should not stop you from getting the iPhone. I told you the colors were purple, gold, silver, and black. I'm reading, yes. It has a 48 megapixel cameras. Look at that. This camera is amazing, and you probably can tell, you'll be able to tell how my videos are coming out now. They'll be more clear and things of that nature. Let's see, smartphone chip. So we have the smartphone chip in here. Save lives over satellite. So with this, if something were to happen, you can actually do a text, but you have to be in the direct view of the sky so you can catch the satellite, and you can text and they can actually tell you what to do. It's a little video that I may put on another video to tell you how it works. You have to aim it at the sky and it gives you directions on what to do. So it gives you save lives. If it's a safety feature and it's over satellite, no Wi-Fi needed. Let's see, ceramic shield. So the outside, I put this on, I'm not gonna take it off again. It has ceramic on the back. The iPhone 10 that I had was the first phone, I believe, that came out that was glass. And yeah, to drop it and crack the screen, everything, the whole phone was glass. And people thought that was a mistake, but my 10 survived. I didn't have any cracks or anything on the phone. No screen, none of those things happened. But because I put it in a case and I kept it safe. But it's a ceramic shield with surgical stainless steel around it. So yes, it is amazing. And it is still, you can still drop it and crack it on the back and the front. So just be careful if you get that. Let's see, it's the 6 point. Now see, I have the iPro Max and it has a 6.7 display size. So it's a bigger screen. So you get to see everything on there. And oh, the dynamic island. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this one on. I activated it in the store. So I'll go ahead and turn it on. And I'll talk to you about the dynamic island. So it's coming on now. I will go ahead and keep talking. The battery life on the Pro Max is 29 hours as opposed to 23 on the 14 Pro. So the Pro Max has 29-hour life on the battery, which is cool. Yeah, all my stuff is showing up on here. So let me just put something up. Let's do music. I don't want to do music. I don't want to get in trouble. Let's do YouTube. How about that? So let me just go to my channel here and I will show you what the dynamic island is. So let me just open up my channel here. Should have been the first thing that came up, right? Okay, so say for instance, I'm on my channel now, right? And if a call comes through, or if I'm doing something else, let's see this is the dynamic island right here. Back in the past, you used to have to swipe up and then try to find where you were. You can still do that here, but the dynamic island is up here in this little black area. Actually, let's do a phone call. That'll be easier. So let's say a phone call comes in, and how about calling Apple? I'll just call Apple. And I'm on a phone call now, but I want to go back to the music. I just click in the dynamic island. Okay, so I'm on music, but I'm on the phone now with Apple. If I click in the dynamic island, I can see that I'm on the phone with Apple, and all I have to do is push on there and there's Apple. So that's another feature here, and it's a lot to do with. Again, guys, I'm going to be taking a class. So once I take the class, yeah, I'll let you know. Now, the difference between the Pro Max and the Pro. The Pro Max has what they call crash detection. So what will happen if you are in a bad accident, God forbid, I hope it never happens, it will call 911 and it will contact your emergency contacts in your phone if it is loaded. So always put emergency contacts in your phone. And I don't know if you guys remember, you're supposed to put the information in, and at the by the name, you'll just put like 911 or emergency, so they know who to call for emergencies. Like mine, I have my hubby, my mom, my sister, my brother. I have pretty much my whole family. So if you can't get one, you're gonna find somebody in that list. So I have a lot of emergency contact numbers. So they call for emergency purposes. And what it does is it feels, it hears, and it measures crashing. And that's when they call for help. It has a faster charging mechanism. So when you charge up your phone, it charges up like the speed of lightning. It does not take forever to charge up. It charges up really fast. Also, if you turn the phone face down, it turns the phone into night mode, so you don't use as much battery life. So always don't leave your phone like this. Turn it face down so it will, or in your purse, ladies, it will turn the phone on to nighttime so it won't burn as much of your battery life. It has a lot with exercising and fitness trackers. So with this phone, you could pretty much eliminate a lot of the apps that you have on the phone because of what it does. Also with the photo, it has it now. You don't have to pay for that app where you crop out or make things disappear out the back of your picture, like if your picture that you're taking. Like if I want to get rid of that picture behind me, I just hold down on the picture, pull myself out of the picture, and then save it, and that's what comes up. So it's a lot going on with this phone. I'm very, very happy that I got it. And I'm not the one. I used to go every time iPhone came out with a phone, I would go buy it. I did not do it this time. I had the 10, I stopped, and I waited. And now I can always say that it's worth the money. These are about, God, I hate to say this, but they're about $1,500. And I think the one below it is the Pro. Mine's is 1 terabyte, so it holds a lot of space. And they were like, you don't need a terabyte, until they looked at my other phone and saw how much space I had used, how many pictures and all the other things. So they were like, yeah, you need a terabyte. So I got the terabyte, and the one below it, I forgot, I think it's 516 and 256. I can never use those. I've been out of that stage a long time because I take a lot of pictures and videos and things of that nature. So, but this phone does a lot. And I think the one below it was $12.99, and then $200 more was this one. So I give it a thumbs up. I love it. I'm so happy to get it. I really, really wanted the purple one. So I think what I'm going to do, I know somebody that's getting one that wants the gold. We might just swap it out, a family member. So I like the purple one. If you have not seen them, go check it out. The purple one is beautiful. I love it. So, but anyway, guys, one other thing I will say, Apple stepped up their game. And what I mean by stepped up their game, also, I got in the mail from Apple. Let me cover this up because y'all don't need to see that. It is the titanium card. This card is titanium, and it is amazing. It doesn't flex. You can bend it, but you'll have to get another one. It's heavy duty. So I'm really actually very impressed with Apple. I've been an iPhone user for a long time, since the 3G. I love it. So other than that, guys, I think that's it for the video today. Hit me up in the comment section and let me know if you have an iPhone 14, if you got the 14 or the 14 Pro or the 14 Pro Max. Tell me what you like about it. For me, the pictures are amazing. When I first used it in the store and looked at the pictures, and now with mine, the pictures are amazing. Cannot beat it. So anyway, guys, that's it for today. I want to thank you so much for joining me. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you're notified of all my videos when they're uploaded. Share me out, because sharing is caring. And as I always say at the end of each and every one of my videos, God bless you. See you next time. Love you long time. Bye-bye now.